Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a crochet tutu for an adult. So you're going to need more than one crochet headband for this tutorial. You'll probably need 2 to 4 depending on what size you're making. You don't have to use a whole crochet headband, like you can use 1.5 or 2.5. You just need to measure the headband around your waist. For this tutorial I'm going to use 2 headbands, and this is going to fit about a size 8-10 women's pant size. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up each end of the crochet headband just by cutting off the seam. I like to flip it inside out and just cut the seam off. And so now I have 2 headbands open. I'm going to put right sides together and just stitch the seam shut. I'm using red so that you can see it, but if I was going to do it, I would use the same color. If I was going to do it not for a tutorial, I would use the same color headbands and also use the same color thread. But even doing it like this, you'll see that it's pretty seamless. You don't have to be a great seamstress to do this, just a simple stitch. I'm not really doing anything special here. You can also use a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. So after you stitch the end closed, you can just snip off the extra pieces if you want to. You don't have to, and you can see it makes a really tight stitch. Now you're going to take the other ends and stitch them together. I'm just showing you here how if you wanted to add a third piece, you could. You could add 4, 5, 6, however many pieces that you want to add. Or you can add less, like if you need a smaller tutu, like I said, you can use 1.5. Or you can even cut down the one headband if you're making it for a baby and you don't want it to be too big. So I'm just going to stitch that other end together so that I have a completed circle. This is a 4th of July tutu, so next we're going to cut out some stars, and I'm cutting these stars out of canvas paper, but a lot of times I use felt, and they even have glitter felt, so use whatever material you would like to use. It just needs to be lightweight so it doesn't weigh down the tutu. So next I cut out my tulle strips, and I cut out red, white, and blue. And you're going to need more red and white than you will blue, so just keep that in mind. This is my adult mannequin, and she wears about a size 4-6. So I just drop it lower, and that kind of gives me what I need for a size 8-10. Then for a full tutu, we are going to apply one piece at a time all the way around, and we're going to go around the tutu 3 times. So to make my stripes, I do 3 red pieces, then 3 white pieces. And I just keep rotating until I get a small opening about a quarter of the tutu still open, and that I fill in with blue. So after I've gone all the way around once, I'm going to go around twice, and then I'm going to go around 3 times, and then I will have a full tutu. Last, I am going to attach the stars to the blue part of the tulle using the hot glue gun. And here's how your tutu should come out. So it is possible to make no-sew crochet tutus for adults. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments in the comment section below.